Welcome back to Brewing with Ty. Today, I'm going to be doing what I like to call a recipe called fine wine, which is not going to be very fine. If you can't tell, I am pretty sick. I've been sick all weekend. I did get 4 of these. This is the Little Big Mouth Bubbler, which this is the first time I'm going to be doing it. As you can see, I actually have the Star San in the fermenter. Everything else has already been sanitized. I have my sanitizer in the airlock, which will go in the top. So what's in this is we're going to be making a fruit punch wine. If you guys follow along on Facebook, you will see what I did on there. We got a cranberry. It's called Just Cranberry. Please don't spill. We'll sit you right here so you don't get anywhere. Our other one will be Just Pineapple, Black Cherry, and the last one will be Mango. First thing we're going to do is measure out, what is it, 3/4 pound of sugar. And for that, I'm going to be using, zero this out, pure cane sugar. All right, so with the fermento, we're going to be using 1/2 right there. So got that measured out, good to go. Got this good to go. And I'm trying to figure out, I will come up with it, which yeast I want to use. I have the D21 wine yeast, or I have the 71B. So I will figure that out once I get there. Like I said, this is my first time making homemade wine. So here we go. Make sure you get all the goodies off the bottom. Dump her in. Try to get as much air as possible in the beginning. Yeah, see? All the numminess right there. Get all that mixed out, mixed in, just like that. And I'll tell you what, I'm already liking this Big Mouth Bubbler. Shake it in. This is the cranberry. Get as much air in here as possible. Then you have the pineapple. Tell you what, this thing's awesome. I'm going to keep saying that. Add in the sugar. And you want to make sure that is mixed in super good. All right, I think we're good with that. So what I am going to do, since, like I said, everything was already sanitized anyway, get this mixed in really good. So check the notes here. Added the juice, sugar, fermento, the wine tannins we're not going to do. I'll get everything else ready. And then back in you go. All right. Set this off to the side for a second. Now we're going to be using, where'd it go? The half. That's the half. Take this out. Our acid blend. And this is from North Mountain. Yeah, what really sucks about when we had that house fire was I just got a bunch of stuff from viewers. That's the acid blend. We're going to go ahead and add the pectic enzyme, which is half also. Anyway, I did just get a whole bunch of stuff from viewers. And a lot of it is gone. So there's that. So we have everything added in. The only thing left to do now is to add the yeast. I'm going to go with the 71B for sure. It's not a rip tear pack, but you got pretty decent fingers. Rip tear. Now, the recipe that I saw, it said to use the whole pack of this yeast. Well, I mean, I guess I could. It's not going to hurt anything. But I think I'm going to use half. Because one pack of this will make up to 5 gallons. This is what I was doing, and then I got distracted. So I'm using my refractor meter because I don't have what I need. And we're at 1.090. 1.090. Say 1.092. So that is 1.092 original gravity. Now I'm going to add in the yeast. Like I said, eyeball the half pack. And I always stir my yeast in. Very gently stir, just so you don't get it on the sides. I'll put that in first. Tighten this down very, very good. Tell you what, these things are amazing. So, but as of right now, we're going to let this sit, let it do its thing. So we'll see you guys on the next one. Out.